Wow, what an incredible day we had at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. But before I go in on this recap, masterclass, don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. 540 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. Of course, we're putting in that work. That's what it takes to be the #1 urban farm in America. And we're live right now. And we just ran out of time. And of course, a little over a month ago, we really drastically started losing hours of daylight. And here it is, I believe, around 7:30, maybe closer to 8 o'clock.
7:30.
7:30, and we are pretty much out of time. And usually around this time, we want to get out of the city because we still have a lot of problems with violent crime and shootings and just things like that. And things as well. Don't forget to check out my documentary, December 4th, Kansas City Murder Factory. Check that out at the Glenwood Arts Theater. That's a 72-minute documentary that's going back in the theaters, so check that out. And that talks all about the urban struggles and things like that. But here we are, giving back to the community, doing what we do, of course, fresh, local produce. And this is Grandmother Ophelia, right up there in the storefront. So that is Black excellence, Black representation. So here we are on a historic Black district that was once divided, a dividing line actually, but everything here was just excellence. And there's still Black excellence here in this area, like Vine Street Brewery and like some of the other businesses down the street. So we ran out of time, and we come and we can see the leaves falling. As the wind blows and the leaves fall, that's the sign that we're running out of time and winter is coming. So we want to get prepared. We want to get the greenhouse prepared, everything fired up, and as much work as we can outside, because just like that, overnight we'll have ice and snow. We won't be able to do any of this stuff. So we've been trapping. We've been trying to clear the brush, the debris, the overgrowth, and things like that. And it's at this time where the animals are looking for some place to stay warm and things like that. And so we're doing a lot of capturing of raccoons, possums, just all types of wildlife. We need to let them know that this is not the spot to be at, because we're going further for the community, and we can't have those possums getting in and eating our Missouri peaches. Check out, that's one of the videos we did online at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, so check out that. That's one of the 540 videos. So I think I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, look at the leaves, look how beautiful it is. Oh, can we see